On October 10th, the market erased about $19 billion, and 1.6 million traders were liquidated. One bot turned the chaos into profit. I will reconstruct the play, move by move. This was choreography, not luck. We track the routing and the reason for each hop. Step 0. Use Flash Loan to borrow 106.5 WBTC from Morpho. Why? 0 upfront capital and perfect sizing that mirrors the Aave collateral. Steps 1 to 2. Swap 102.4 WBTC to 11.2 million USDC on Uniswap v3. Why? Stage stablecoins to fund the debt leg. Steps 3 to 4. Convert 11.2 million USDC to 11.2 million USDT via Fluid. Why? Match the borrower's debt token on Aave. Steps 5 to 9. Aave liquidates 106.5 WBTC and transfers it to the liquidator. Why? Seize collateral the moment the health factor breaks. Step 10. Send 11.2 million USDT to Aave to repay the borrower's debt. Why? Close liability to cement the collateral claim. Step 11. Repay the 106.5 WBTC flash loan to Morpho. Why? Flatten exposure and lock the spread. Steps 12 to 13. Swap the leftover 4.2 WBTC to 123.3 WETH on Sushi. Why? Exit a thin WBTC tail into deeper ETH liquidity. Steps 14 to 15. Unwrap WETH to ETH. Why? Settle in native ITH for fees, tips, and PNL. Steps 16 and 17. Tip the builder 67.7 ETH and keep 55.6 ETH. Why? Pay for inclusion. No inclusion, no profit. In the end, the bot raked $206,600 as profit while tipping $251,600 to the builder as the cost of this delicious liquidation. The edge with sequencing, exact-denom repayment, deep pools, and paid inclusion. Miss one and you miss the win. When the market tumbles and crumbles, someone picks up value while the herd fumbles. We will dig more into the winners of the latest event and reveal more hidden fortune grabbers. Subscribe to the MEV playbook and more money-making breakdowns. Meanwhile, comment on what you have learned from the crash.